Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the YOM token. Now the YOM token is getting listed here in a couple days on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Yo Metaverse, ticker symbol YOM, YOM. So this token is being listed soon on a central exchange. Trading for this token will open March 13th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically how you'd get this token is you'd simply go right through that MEXC referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search YOM, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. So before then, there is a Kickstarter event where it says vote with MX tokens, which is MEXC Global's tokens, to support the YOM listing and share 666,666 YOM airdrops. So that competition is going on March 10th. So today is March 8th, so you can check out MEXC Global's Twitter at MEXC_global to get involved with this Kickstarter event. And details regarding the token. It says YOM is the peer-to-peer metaverse infrastructure that empowers creators to deploy and control their own Web3 metaverse from their own site. Accessible to anyone on any device, metaverses created on YOM can be embedded on any website with a single line of code and are instantly accessible from the browser. Loading from any web page on any device. So they have an official web page, which is at yom.oo. They have their own block explorer on here. They are on the Solana blockchain, and you can view their Sol Scan. Their Twitter is at YoMetaverse. Their Telegram is at YOM_community. They also have a Discord, a YouTube channel, and a full white paper, which you can find at docs.yom.community. So their Sol Scan, let's see if it even opens here. Okay, so it says 9 decimal places on this token. So it only says 11 holders, so it's not even available yet to the public, it seems. It is getting its very first listing, it looks like, on MEXC Global, so that's super cool. Their current supply of this token is 300 million tokens. And yeah, 9 decimal places on the Solana blockchain. So YOM is the first peer-to-peer metaverse focusing on instantly delivering and deploying high-performance AAA quality Web3 metaverses that can be accessed by thousands of players concurrently. These metaverses can be embedded on any website with a single line of code and are instantly accessible from the browser, loading from any web page on any device. We enable this by providing the tools and infrastructure that allows you to craft and control your custom Web3 metaverse from your site to anyone on any device. Collect token rewards by allocating the resources of the gaming engine to the network and thereby rendering metaverses deployed to YOM. It says additionally, this white paper here will provide you with tools necessary to co-create a metaverse This is our first step to inspiring a grassroots movement for an open, experiential, and ethical metaverse. So that's what their paper's all about. So they have something called the North Star. It says, we are trailblazing towards the future. The North Star, as seen through the vision of Yom, is a call to build a new reality that is created by artists, rendered by gamers, and governed by anyone. It is a vision for a metaverse that is sustainable and fair, where everyone has equal opportunities to explore a global market of virtualized experiences and products. Goes over what the metaverse is. I mean, if you're familiar with crypto, you probably heard about what a metaverse is 700 times at least. So YOM, Y-O-M, stands for Your Open Metaverse, is at the heart of a revolution that changes the way we connect, create, and do business. So the YOM team is experienced in both scalable platforms and creating virtual solutions in Unreal Engine. So the tokenomics on here, it says, we developed a native crypto protocol token, ticker symbol YOM, which is a transferable representation of underlying utility, the right to render the metaverse for a single user for a full day. They also have NFTs, it says. So the YOM token connects supply with demand by rewarding gamers to allocate resources to render their meta spaces. Thereby, over time, YOM converges to a price that is not pegged to gold or dollars, but to GPU power. The YOM token by itself is solely used on the platform to facilitate an efficient P2P market of metaverse rendering power and enable new revenue models building on this. It does not in any way represent any shareholding or participation in any company or undertaking, nor will it entitle holders to any promise of fees, dividends, rewards, profits, or investment returns. The NFT protocol is used to tokenize roles, assets, and memberships for the DAO. So they have voting rights here. Additionally, the NFT protocol is provided as a toolkit for creators who can use it in a combination with a bridge dApp and create their own structures, revenue models, and systems. So they have distribution on here. Let's see here. So it says basically token allocation. Kind of weird how this is split up here. Well, it says 300 million tokens to start. Now it says there's going to be split up between the team, the DAO, co-op, marketing, and then it doesn't really say much else. They have a community section on here, governance section if you want to read about how to get involved with the DAO. And yeah, that's basically about it. They have tons of info if you want to check it out at docs.yom.000. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.